This should be got for about 4.6 weeks. It's just like a fingernail. It must be terminated consistent. That's horse the same posture all the. It natural should be also when you apply the protect layer. Horse will be running very smoothly. That's a lot of work. You should need to patience with us. This is carbon iron which we are testing in snow with this ice. Sudan is only a heavy. It's aluminium at 50 grams. Over 200 meter, the horse should be faster by a second. So now we are checking the all size and dimensions. It's correctly or not. So the dimension man said it's all is okay.